Hey! Did you mean affordable student accommodation in London? We've got you covered. IQ Will Wyatt Court on Pitfield Street in London is home to many students in search of comfort and quality living. The en-suite rooms are equipped with private bedrooms and bathrooms with a shared kitchen, while the silver en-suite rooms can house 6 to 7 students with access to recreational areas like the cinema hall, study, and game room. The gold en-suite rooms situated on the upper floors come with a private room, bathroom, TV, and a stunning view of the city. The University of London and Anglia Ruskin University are situated within a 2-mile radius of the accommodation. Foodies can head straight to Honest Burgers and Hoxton and Shoreditch to grab some amazing burgers and European food. Sports bars and pubs are 5 minutes away, along with tourist attractions like the London Dungeon and the Graffiti Tunnel, located 3 miles away from the accommodation. Hop on a train from Hoxton Station on Geffrey Street to explore the beautiful city of London. Will Wyatt Court will tick all the boxes on your list. Quickly head over to amberstudent.com to secure a booking.